All right, fifth graders, here's a little homework help. So let's see here. They've got a chart here with dragonflies, horseflies, bumblebees, honeybees, and a housefly. And the speed in meters per second, how fast they can fly. That's kind of cool. Looks like the fastest is the dragonfly. And when I saw that, I remembered a picture that I took with my phone. Check this out. Of a dragonfly. And I took this about a year ago. This is an old Samsung 5 phone, but you know what? I tell you what, it still works pretty good. I had no reason to upgrade. But it takes phenomenal pictures. I mean, you can really zoom in. So this is a picture I took of a dragonfly. And I was, so impressed with the quality of the picture and how much you could zoom in and see this thing. But, and pretty darn fast, that's for sure. Okay. So let's see here. What's the first question? The speeds, sorry. Oh, let me bring this out a little bit. The speeds of two insects when rounded to the nearest whole number are the same. Which two insects are they? So the nearest whole number. Well, so then we're talking about the first, the ones place. And so what would the 6 round up to? Okay, that's going to round to a 7, right? We'll just kind of pencil, or just put a 7 there. The 3 is going to round up to a 4. The 8 is going to round up, see that, because of the 8, the 2 is going to round up to a 3. And a 5 will again round the 2 up to a 3. And the 9 will cause the 1 to round up to a 2. So it looks like these two, the bumblebee and the honeybee. So those are the two that would round up. So number 21, what is the speed of the housefly rounded to the nearest hundredth? Well, where's the hundredth place? The digit just to the right of the decimal, that's the tenths place. So the hundredths place is, in this one, for example, is the 7. So what is the speed of the housefly rounded to the nearest hundredth? Where's the housefly? Here it is, the last one. So 6 is the hundredths place. This is the tenths. Here's the hundredths. So the 7 would cause the 6 to round to a 7. So that would be 1.97. 1.97. And that's not all you would put. It'd be what? Meters per second. Okay. Let's see here. Number 22. It says, what is the error? Mark said that the speed of the dragonfly rounded to the nearest tenth was 6.9 meters per second. Well, dragonfly, well, no, that's not right. Nearest tenth, so the 9 is in the tenths place. If we rounded that, the 7 would cause the 9 to become a 10, so we'd put a 0 there and carry the 1, so it would be a 7. Is he correct? If not, what is his error? And we had a problem like this similar today. Let's see, is he correct? So the answer is no. Period. He should have written a 0 in the tenths place. Whoop. Okay, so let's see here, because it wouldn't be 6.9, it would be 7.0, or just 7. Number 23 here. Let's see here. A rounded number for the speed of an insect is 5.67 meters per second. So they've rounded this number, this digit right here, the 7, that's in the hundredths place. What are the fastest and slowest speeds to the thousandths that could round to 5.67 meters per second. What are the fastest and slowest speeds to the thousandths that could round to 5.67 meters per second? Six, seven, and the thousandths place. Here's the tenths, here's the hundredths, thousandths place. It's got to be a 4, because if it was a 5, this would round to an 8. Is the fastest. Okay. Explain. Well, anything greater than 4 would round the 7 to an 8. So anything greater than 0.004, that is in the thousandths place, would round the 7 to an 8. Well, I'm probably not explaining that very well, but that's okay. And then let's see here. And that's the fastest. The slowest, any number, the slowest would be what? It'd be 5.665. Any number less than that, any number less than that would round to 5.66, because if this was a 4, that would stay a 6. Okay. All right. I'll let you guys do 24 A, B, and C on your own. So that's it. There's your homework help. We're going to grade this page and the previous page, which we did in part in class today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your afternoon.